We have some more big news coming in. Let me cut across. All right, some more big breaking news coming in. BJP's Hyderabad candidate Madhvi Lata has a case filed against her. The Election Commission has filed a complaint, a case where they claim that she has violated the Model Code of Conduct by checking identities of some of the voters at the polling booths. In fact, Madhvi Lata was seen almost heckling, lifting the parda and the burqas of women, asking them forcefully to take off to reveal their face in full public glare, and checking their voter IDs, and trying to police the polling booth there to see if there were any bogus voters. Though the Election Commission does not grant permission to any of the candidates to carry out checks of voters' identities. And here you have a complaint that's been formally lodged by the Election Commission against Madhvi Lata. Now, we know that Madhvi Lata is facing off Asaduddin Owaisi, and she claims there are several bogus voters who come in the guise of wearing the burqa, etc. But here, what she has done here, checking the identities of burqa-clad women there, forcefully asking them to take off the niqab, now led to a case registered against her in the Malakpet police station against Madhvi. In fact, the video where she was checking the burqa ladies has gone so viral, with the case now registered against her. Section 171C, 186, 5051 of the IPC and Section 132 of the IPC. She's spoken to us. Listen in.
मैडम, आप गली गली घूम रही है, हर पोलिंग बूथ पर जा रही है, चेकिंग कर रही है, क्या चल रहा है ओल्ड सिटी हैदराबाद ओल्ड सिटी में ये चुनाव?
कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर ले रहे भैया, पुलिस वाले यहाँ के कांग्रेस के जेब में बैठे हुए हैं, ये इनके जेब में बैठे हुए हैं, तो हमको तो बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा ना, इंसाफ के लिए तो लड़ना पड़ेगा।
आपने आज बुर्का क्लैड वुमेन का आइडेंटिटी चेक किया है, पोलिंग बूथ पर एजेंट्स को भी बोला है कि आइडेंटिटी चेक की जानी चाहिए जब लोग वहां पर आते हैं, तो आपने खुद उनका एपिक कार्ड लेके चेक किया, इस पर आपके ऊपर केस भी दर्ज हुआ है।
हाँ, करते ना, जिनको इंसाफ करना नहीं आता है उनको केस करना ही तो आता है ना। वो लोग पुलिस के इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं देते, लेडी पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं देते, तो क्या कर सकते वो लोग भाई? सिर्फ जो इंसाफ के लिए ठहरे हमारे जैसे लोगों के ऊपर केस बुक कर सकते हैं, यही तो पुलिसगिरी है, यही तो रजाकार वालों करते हैं।
All right, that's Madhvi Lata there again firing salvos at the Owaisi clan. Says that they are the descendants of the Razakars, and that there's a lot of violations that happen at their behest. So she is basically only trying to ensure free and fair polling. But the videos that we're seeing on air, of course, is certainly disturbing, because she forcefully almost heckling some of those women there to take off their pardas in full public glare, asking them and clarifying their face with the cards. This permission has not been given by the Election Commission. In fact, there's strict guidelines against candidates taking a look at voters' identities or identity cards. Either way, while women who wear the parda or the burqa also step into a polling station, while they go to cast their vote, it's mandatory for the polling agent and the officer who's seated there, who's inking those women, to check their voter ID and also check their face. So the women will have to take off their parda in front of the or the polling agent to cross-verify their identity. But this is done and solely the responsibility of the polling agents who are seated inside the booth where the inking happens, not that of a candidate. Madhvi Lata has certainly trespassed there, and she's taken things in her own hand to try and cross-verify with the Election Commission now, filing a case against her in Hyderabad. Well, that's it. Telangana, of course, we're seeing heated action as we're coming to a close. We're looking at the curtains down on campaigning, no doubt, but all the politicians here and candidates are ensuring that they're trying to push people to go out there and cast their vote without fail. So increasing the voter turnout is certainly now the big mission all candidates are up to.